Are you passionate about writing? Do you want to make money with your words? You're in the right place. Here are the top writing jobs you need to know. First, freelance writing. This job gives you the freedom to work on your own terms. You can write blogs, articles, web content, and more. You can work for different clients and choose the topics that interest you. Second, copywriting. This is writing that helps to sell a product or service. You can work for a company or start your own business. Copywriters are always in demand and can make a good income. Third, content marketing. This is writing that helps to attract customers to a business. You can write for a website, social media, or email campaigns. Companies are always looking for writers who can help them stay ahead of the competition. Fourth, technical writing. This is writing that explains complex subjects in a simple way. You can work for different industries like medical, engineering, or software development. Technical writers are in high demand and make a good income. Fifth, creative writing. This is writing that allows you to tell a story and express yourself. You can write novels, short stories, poetry, and more. Creative writers can self-publish or work for a publishing house. In conclusion, there are many writing jobs that can help you make money with your words. Whether you prefer freelance writing, copywriting, content marketing, technical writing, or creative writing, there's a job out there for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks for writers like you.